Hey guys, here is a 44-inch Hampton Bay Cameron II Plus ceiling fan in the brushed steel and cobalt blue finish. This fan is dated November of 2007, and I can remember these when I was younger at Home Depot when they used to be on display, and I went absolutely crazy over them. I always wanted one, and I specifically always wanted the 44-inch version because I thought it would fit my room better. But again, the 52-inch version I also liked. But yeah, so I can remember I always wanted one of these, and eventually they got discontinued. I'm not exactly sure what year they were discontinued, but they were, and I never saw them again. But this one popped up on Facebook Marketplace today, actually. I paid a little bit more than I would have wanted to. I paid $40 for it, but you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm probably never going to get rid of this because it's a huge childhood fan for me. I'm still on the lookout for the 52-inch one, but yeah. So anyway, I'll demo this one. Start with the light. Has some weird kind of light bulbs in it. I think they're almost like a lava lamp bulb. But yeah. Here's that. Here's low speed. Those are not the original pull chains. I just threw them on there because they were just hanging around. But came 100% complete too. It came flush mounted. It does move kind of fast on low speed, but you know, it's a Hampton Bay. You know, can't get everything from it. It's quiet though, and it moves a pretty good amount of air, so there's really no complaints on that part. It is a bit of a step down from the older ones because I do have a 44-inch Cameron II Plus from the late 90s, and that one looks a little bit different. Pretty much all the parts on the older ones are a bit fatter than these ones. This one has a skinnier switch housing, skinnier vents, skinnier blades, and it has, I think, shorter blade arms. But yeah. It's medium. Can't remember seeing these anywhere else when I was a kid. I really just saw them on the display at Home Depot. That was about it. But it's medium. Side. Does get moving on high. Turn this crap made off. This fan could go in my bedroom. I still have to think about that. Looks kind of cool with the light on while it's running. Has that weird shadow on the blades that I always liked. It's off. Finish the blades. Yeah, you can see, this one's a little bit different than the one down there. But the tag is up there. Just fell off the step stool right there. But yeah. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.